Welcome back, you slimes. You disgusting filth. It's me, Ochre, back at it again, bestowing upon you the ancient eldritch arts of shipmaking. Today, we've got a hell of a video. I'm going to give you 69 tips and tricks on how to make the best ships. Ships that are barely able to function. Ships that may even be able to win a firefight on very easy. It takes a lot of skill to make the kind of ships I make. But before we get into the video, a word from our sponsor. Guys and gals, are you looking for a one-night stand with a miner?
There seems to have been a misunderstanding.
Well, look no further. Thanks to this video's sponsor, dateminers.com, you can meet the black-lunged hunk of your dreams. I know my entire audience is a bunch of homosexuals, and if there's one thing homosexuals crave, it's minors. The dating app of your dreams just got an upgrade too. With an all-new site layout, finding a fleeting superficial connection with discretion is easier than ever. If you're worried that your family might look down on you for what you do with your minors in the privacy of your home, then fret not, my little ingot, because dateminers.com is invested in over 1,500 sex clubs worldwide with a never-ending amount of human traffic. Avoid the prying eyes of your neighbors and meet us at any one of our locations nearest to you. Find your canary in the coal mine today, and be sure to use promo code AsianInvasion69 for a whopping 30% off of your purchase when you buy a 10-year warranty. Now you're going to want to start by recruiting a pilot. Pilots are essential to fly your ships, and if you choose the wrong one, it could end tragically. That's why I went over to the DNC convention and found good old Jeffrey Epstein. Now don't be scared or alarmed by Jeffrey Epstein's new name, Barrett. Jeff has been through a lot. He was falsely accused of doing some things back in the 2020s, but this is 300 years later, okay? He's a whole new man now. Literally. That's why his name is Barrett, and he sounds like a soulful black man.
The things you've done, they're just wrong. Astronomically, cosmically wrong.
And what would a pilot be without his co-pilot? That's why I also found a Miss Hillary Clinton. Now, Miss Hillary Clinton doesn't have much flying experience apart from flying to impoverished countries to harvest the adrenochrome out of children, which is precisely why she would make such a great co-pilot. See, every man needs a backseat driver in his life to give him motivation, to keep him focused. And if there's one thing that gives Jeffrey Epstein motivation, it's the Clinton family. Once you've assembled your flight crew of questionable morality, then you can get on to the good stuff. You have to envision your masterpiece within your mind's eye. I can't do that. So that's why I look up pictures of somebody else's masterpiece that they created in their mind's eye, and I just steal their designs. Fuck. Today, I'm just going to recreate this nondescript Boeing 727 to the best of my ability. I'm just going to give you a time lapse of the process because I don't want to have to spend any more time in the shipbuilder than I absolutely have to. Seriously, how are you going to give us 2 attachment points, one of which is a weapon mount, and the other can't be flipped in a way that I can actually attach it to anything? So once you've gone through your quarter-life crisis, you're probably wanting to kill everyone and everything on Earth. But wait, there's a better use of your time. Go to New Atlantis, that's what they're there for. They're supple and fragile, and most of them will just put up as much of a fight as a toddler on a playground. Step number 82 is to go on Reddit and bully children until they cry. You gotta make the most of this right now, because the internet's not gonna be anonymous for very much longer. Step number 12.5 is to watch hours and hours of sissy hypno pay pig porn music videos and convince yourself to be attracted to people named Ochre. And then step 13, consequently, is to give them all your money. And once you've bought, paid, and fucked your way into a ship, now you can take to the stars. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this Dimension 7 Yo styled unhinged video, mash all those fucking buttons to develop our parasocial relationship further. And if you haven't been convinced to subscribe yet, let me tell you why you should. You see this guy right here? This is the only thing I care about at all in my life anymore. And when he dies, because I'm a healthy and stable individual, I'm gonna kill myself. So you better get in on this while it lasts, because that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Бьет в грудь, бросит, молодая особь, бьет в грудь, себя бросит, и цвет блонд, любит Бенз, на своих двоих увез. Рваной душой, но не пустой, да дым есть, погоди, стой, дым есть, но уже не густой. Что я имею теперь? Губы не мели, пока тебя имеют. Порвано платье, разрываешь объятия. Затянешь ремень, он и без этого сполна давит на мозг тебе. Порван, тебя не прикроет.